Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share 10 superb useful English phrases. Ready? Let's get started. First phrase is how's it going? This is a casual way of asking someone how they are. For example, if you meet a friend, you can say, "Hey, how's it going?" It's friendly and informal. Second phrase is I'll get back to you. Use this phrase when you need more time to think about something or find out information. For example, I'm not sure about the meeting time, I'll get back to you. Third phrase is no worries. This means it's okay or don't worry about it. For example, if someone apologizes, you can say no worries, it's fine. Fourth phrase is could you repeat that please? If you didn't hear or understand something, this polite phrase is very helpful. For example, I didn't get that, could you repeat that please? Fifth phrase is what do you think? Ask this question when you want someone's opinion. For example, I'm thinking about going to the beach. What do you think? Sixth phrase is let me know. This phrase is used when you want someone to inform you about something. For example, let me know if you need any help. Seventh phrase is that sounds great. Use this to show enthusiasm or agreement. For example, if someone says let's grab coffee tomorrow, you can say that sounds great. Eighth phrase is sorry, I didn't get that. If you didn't hear something clearly, use this polite phrase to ask for repetition. It's similar to phrase 4 but more casual. Ninth phrase is I'm not sure about that. When you are uncertain about something, you can say I'm not sure about that. It's a polite way to express doubt. 10th phrase is take care. This is a friendly way to say goodbye. For example, it was great seeing you. Take care. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.